Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone, all of the lectors and friends. Today we like to present our ATS project. And right, so let's get started. Let's go to the next slide. So here is our team, our name, so here's the our name, our team. The name is there is Iksan Maulana, Reda Mutiara, Syifa Andini, Muhammad Zaki Agung, and also Saras Putri. Next slide. The main goal of this project is to make 3D booth design and also to the promotional animation for virtual exhibition. We want to show students works in a fun, interactive way that also shows the identity of our department. So basically, we just make a 3D booth design and also to the animation to represent the department's creativity and identity. Next slide. Mm, Here are some mood boards and visual reference that we use for the environment and also for the characters. Next slide.
Okay, so this is our story is about a young man named Deko who gets caught in the rain and suddenly enter a strange virtual world after jumping over a puddle. In that world, he sees a vision of his future self and learns something important. When he returns to the real world, he feels more confident and ready to continue his journey. Next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, so this is a 3X structure. In Act 1, Deco walks alone on a quiet city street. On Act 2, he wakes up in white room and then he enters a virtual exhibition full of light and animation. And the last one, in Act 3, he comes back to the real world and the rain is stopped and the sky turning orange and he gets a message on his phone and he ready to the next journey. Next slide, please. So this is a character and environment design. For the first one, this is a street environment. Looking deco walks and get caught in the rain. The second one is looking for virtual exhibition, and the last one is empty room when uh, deco turning the when he click on his phone when he click play on his phone. Next slide. So this is five key shots of our story. First one is Deco start clicking on his phone. The second one is um, on virtual exhibition. Deco looking himself in the picture. The third is Deco smiling. Four is Deco looking on his phone, and the last one is showing the environment of virtual world. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so this is the animation scene test. We have created an animation scene test taken from scene 1 shot 2, which shows Deco walking casually on the sidewalk with the camera position from behind in a medium shot. Next slide. This slide shot testing with VFX application in character and environment. This slide shows an example of the application of visual effect, specifically the rain animation effect applied to both the character and the environment. Okay, next slide. Effect animation and audio. These slides contain the planning of audio and sound effect for its shot in scene 1 and scene 2. The table explains the shot number, the action that occurs, the type of camera shot, animated duration, sound effect used, background music, and animate effect to be applied. For example, in scene 1, when the rain begins in shot 4, the sound effect columns already includes the sound of heavy rain. Okay, next slide. So this is storyboard scene 1. Our team has completed the storyboard from scene 1 from shot 1 to shot 10. The storyboard illustrates the visual sequence starting from a clear city atmosphere, uh, Deco walking casually, the weather changing to rain, and the ending with a large splash at the end of the scene. Okay.
Okay, everyone, today I want to talk about physics deco word. We can say motion, gravity, and momentum in the animation. In the page one, or you can see when Deco run, he pushes the ground back and the ground pushes him forward. That Newton three law, raindrop fall because gravity pulls them down. Everything on Earth is pulled by gravity, even Deco. When Deco steps in water, it splash because its energy moves to the water. That change in momentum, so physics is everywhere, even in animation. Next. Okay, you can see in video specialist in depth. Each animation show a different type of movement. For example, in depth, Deco taps the play button using the principle of slow in and slow out. In press, he covers his head with a bag. The secondary action. In float, Deco moves smoothly as he enters the pawn dimension. So showing arts and pose to pose in slash. There is animation as he replaces Mosquito in Trust. The movement show anticipation before a punch. In Ring, we can see close and straight when he ring his pants inside. They go fall and land on the floor, showing staging. And last, in the flick, he pressed off the bottom with anticipation. All of this so how motion principle make the animation look real and natural. Next slide. Next. Lastly, this is the character profile of Deco. He is 18 years old and was born on September 12, 2007. Deco is a boy from Indonesia and he is a college student. His height is 160 centimeter and he weighs 53 kilogram. He has black hair and black eyes, and his skin color is light brown. Deco is the main character in the story, and his appearance represents simply or ordinary danger.
So this is our character design. At first we imagine a mysterious figure wearing a fantasy style mask, something that felt a bit magical and otherworldly. But as the concept developed, we decided to simplify the design to make it more relatable, just like an ordinary college student. So this is the final design of Deco. Here you can also see the turnaround of our character from front, side, and back. Okay, next. Okay, so this is are some of Deco's personal item or property. Uh, this is a bag and a mobile phone. They might look simple, but both play a meaningful role in supporting the story, showing more about his daily life. Okay, next slide. Okay, here we saw the character breakdown for the cutout animation to prepare for the deco for animation. We separated almost every part of his body, from the head, arms, and legs to the smaller details like face and the hair. So each piece can move smoothly and naturally in motion. As of next slide. So here's the conclusion. As of now, we've reached about 40% of progress, and we're excited to continue improving our project based on the feedback we received. Thank you for the attention. Okay.